Good morning, Josie from Finest Laya. My husband and I are going for a walk, and this time we are going to a new location. So this plot here is mainly for raising bees, and perhaps at some point wildflower will grow onto this part of the land. Back behind the trees is a creek that runs along the side of this land. And behind me is a very busy street. You can see my husband over there looking around. So you can imagine, 100 years ago this was just a forest before it was occupied by people. Now we're walking onto this street, leading to the what they call the pines.
You change the color of the house here. Used to be white, now it's beige.
This is growing by the side of the road. It is a coleus. Yeah, very pretty. Chocolate colored. So it came from a garden someplace, brought by the insects, and it dropped the seeds here, and it's growing among the wandering dudes. The blue flowers, the flowers of the wandering dudes. Yep. That's right.
Mm.